This video will show you how to do a digital cutout two ways. For this demonstration, I'm using Photoshop CS6, but these methods will also work in Photoshop Elements. To start, I'll be showing you the method of doing this that is destructive, which means that you'll be erasing portions of the paper. What you'll need to do is have your element or your shape that you're going to be cutting out above your paper layer. Hold down Control and click on the thumbnail image in your layers palette. This will bring up a selection showing the marching ants around the shape. Now click on the paper layer that you want to cut out from and hit delete. You can now hide your element or just simply delete it, and you can see the pink showing through because there's now a cutout in that paper. If you do Control D, that will make the marching ants go away, and then you could put a shadow on your paper layer if you wanted to give it some definition. The second method that you can use is called non-destructive because it doesn't actually make any changes to the paper layer. It's all done with a layer mask. Some older versions of Photoshop Elements don't have the layer mask capabilities, so it may not work for you. It starts the same way as before. You need to have your elements above your papers in your layers palette. Do a control click to get the marching ant selection. Then you need to make an inverse selection. You can do this by going up to Select and Inverse with the keyboard shortcut of Shift Control I. Once you have your inverse selected, then you can add a layer mask by clicking on the layer mask button at the bottom of the layers palette. Oops. Make sure you're on your paper layer when you do that. And then hide your elements or delete them. And then you can see, again, there's a blue paper underneath which is now showing through on the underneath. And that's how you do a digital cutout.